Fall is jean season and we love jeans, but we hate this back gap. Am I right, girls? So look, in my life, I have been under 100 pounds. I've been over 200 pounds. So I can say with certainty that at any size and any weight, the back gap is a thing. Luckily, you can fix it in under 10 minutes with a quick no-sew method, and you only need a pair of small scissors, a piece of elastic, and a latch hook. But if you can sew a button, I'll show you how to make it a little bit more secure at the end of this video. So first, you want to start by cutting a small slit behind the first belt loop on each side of your jeans. Be careful not to cut through the entire waistband, of course, and you're going to notice it's hollow inside, and that's exactly what we want. I would go ahead and take the tag off too, just in case it's sewn through to the back of the jeans. Now, of course, I've seen this method online a few times over the years, but I've never seen it on curvier girls, and I often see quite a few methods of how to get that elastic through the waistband. And most of the time, it involves pushing this safety pin through manually and not using something to pull it through, which is like unnecessarily time consuming. But also, I found that the safety pin is just really unnecessary. Because it's so thin, it literally just slips through the latch hook. So save yourself that headache and just do this instead. Stick the hook through the elastic. It's a much more sturdy situation, and with a few quick tugs, you will pull that elastic right through the waistband. Now, just remove the latch hook from the elastic and continue to pull it all the way through until it's even. And as you can see, we now have a highly stretchy waistband in our jeans. Put your jeans on and pull that elastic as tight as you need it to be. Tie it, tuck it, zip, and button, and enjoy jeans that fit everywhere, in your thighs, in your butt, and now in your waistband. And look, if you do know how to sew a button, it's really simple. Just go ahead and turn them into toddler jeans. Just sew a button on each side right behind where the actual buttons are sewn. Cut several little slits in the elastic so you can have some adjustability and enjoy. Oh, and if you have a thicker waistband in the jeans like these, use a thicker elastic. Honestly, I just wish there were more styles that were already made like this, but now you have this quick hack and it works for slim or curvy girls. I did 4 pair of jeans in under 30 minutes.